Hi, welcome back to Line Dance with Christiane. Yes, we can. Demo. For we went. Starting facing our home wall. Get ready. 5, 6, 7, 8. Heels. Hips. Rock and cross. Rock and cross. Step. Kick. Coaster step. Heel. Hips. Rocking horse. Scuff. Touch. Step. Kick. Coaster step. Heel. Heels. Hips. Rocking horse, scuff, touch, and rock and cross. Rock and cross, step, kick, coaster, step. Hips. Rocking horse, scuff, touch, rock and cross. Rock and cross. Coaster step, heel, heel, heels, heels. Hips. Scuff, touch, rock and cross, rock and cross. Heels. Hips. Scuff, touch, rock and cross. Step, kick, coaster step, heel. Have fun. Hips. Rocking horse, scuff, touch, rock and cross, step, kick, coaster step, heel, heel. Hips. Heel. Heel. Hips. Scuff, touch, rock and cross, step, kick, coaster step. Hips. Rocking horse, scuff, touch, rock and cross, step, kick, coaster step, and heels. Hips. That's it. Enjoy. Leave me comments. Thank you for joining me. We went.